now an amber has been declared. The Center Grove School Police Department is investigating the abduction of a child from Greenwood. Isabella Negri,
this is the third Amber Alert in 2 days. The last two Amber Alerts for now dead kids. They were murdered. But they just posted an Amber Alert. I hope this one doesn't end up being as bad.
310, red shoulder length hair, brown eyes. Last seen wearing a blue shirt, jean shorts, sandals, and a purple backpack. The child was last seen at 10 a.m. in Greenwood. She is believed to be in extreme danger. Greenwood, of course, is just south of Indy. Center Grove School Police Department believes the child was abducted by her non-custodial mother, Morgan Negri. She's a 27-year-old white female, 5'3", 115 pounds, with long red hair. Now, we also know about the suspect's vehicle. So if you see this, you need to call police right away. We're talking about a gray 07 Kia Sorento. Indiana plate. I'm going to give you the number slowly. It's an IU plate. It's IU 4320. Again, IU 4320 for the 2007 gray Kia Sorento. If you have any information on Isabella Negri, you're asked to call the Center Grove School Police Department. That number, 346-6336. Again, Center Grove Police Department, School Police Department, 346-6336. But you could easily just call 911 if you have any information on this child. Again, 7-year-old Isabella Negri. Police believe she was taken by her non-custodial mother, Morgan Negri, a 27-year-old white female, 5'3", 115 pounds. If you have any information on her, call the Center Grove School Police Department, 346-6336, or you can also call 911. The suspect vehicle, a gray 2007 Kia Sorento. Here's the Indiana license plate again. It's an IU plate. You recognize those. Has the IU symbol. It is red and white. IU 4320. This is a story we'll continue to follow. Of course, we'll have information at wishtv.com all day. We'll come right back.